Hello, my name is Stephanie Gardner, and this is my instructional video for how to make a tissue palm. Tissue palms are decorations that I have used to decorate for birthday parties, bridal showers, and even just to decorate my daughter's room. One reason that I like to do this is not just because of how nicely I think they decorate a room, but also because of the personal touch that they add. I found this quote in the book Wisecraft. They said, throughout history, people have treasured handmade items. There's an innate desire to build items by hand, to build a more personal connection to our possessions and our surroundings. And I have to agree. I even found on the Martha Stewart wedding website that tissue palms can be used to decorate for a wedding. And I think it looks beautiful in this example that they had on their website. And if you're not convinced yet to use tissue palms for decoration, I found some benefits to this craft. First of all, you will save a lot of money decorating by creating tissue palms. They cost less than $1 to create. And also, I found on a website many reasons why crafting is good for you. A study showed that crafting teaches patience and perseverance. It creates mindfulness, develops hand-eye coordination, and gives a sense of pride and achievement, which I have found all of these benefits to be true. Okay, so we're going to make a tissue palm. For this craft, you will need 8 pieces of 20 by 15 inch tissue paper. And actually, these can be made at any size desired as long as you use the same ratio that we've used here, the 20 by 15. You need scissors, you need floral wire, which can be found at any craft store, Hobby Lobby, Michaels, and string, which can be used if you decide that you're going to hang your tissue palms. Step 1. Take all 8 pieces of your tissue paper and stack them evenly on top of each other. This can be any color that you desire. Step 2 is to make a 1-inch fold along the shorter end of the tissue paper. Flip over the paper, make another 1-inch fold, and continue to do so that you fold the entire length of the paper in accordion style. It should look like this when you're done. Once you have folded the entire length of the tissue paper in accordion style, you will have a long strip of folded paper. You will fold that in half, creating a center crease, which goes the opposite direction of the accordion folds. Step 4 is to take a 6-inch piece of floral wire and wrap it around the center crease that you have created. This will keep it secure in the shape that we're looking for with the palm. This would also be the time that you would wrap string around the center crease if you are looking to hang the palm when it is completed. Step 5 is to cut each end of the tissue paper folds into either a round or a pointed tip. As you can see in this example, I have cut it into a pointed tip. Step 6, pull the top piece of tissue paper up and away from the center of the paper bundle until it is separate from the others. You're going to want to be gentle in this step because tissue paper does rip easily. However, it is forgiving if you have little rips here and there, which is bound to happen in this process. In the final product, you won't be able to see those as long as they're small, but please be careful. Step 7 is to continue pulling the pieces of tissue paper apart until it creates a half sphere. The process should look something like this. Step 8 is to continue pulling the pieces of tissue paper apart on the other half of the sphere until you've created the entire tissue palm. And then you did it. Enjoy it. Hang it around. You can use it for parties, for bedroom decorations. The sky's the limit. Whatever you want to do with it.